Ever wondered who's behind that sleek Beam wallet app? The one that's making waves in the crypto world? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep to uncover the masterminds behind this innovative project. Beam Wallet, for those unfamiliar, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet. It leverages the power of the Beam blockchain, a unique technology that prioritizes user anonymity. This isn't just another wallet, it's a statement against surveillance and a champion of financial freedom. But who are the visionaries behind this groundbreaking technology? Addressing the core question, unfortunately, the ownership structure of Beam Wallet is not as transparent as some might prefer. Beam, the cryptocurrency itself, is an open-source project. This means the code is publicly available for anyone to review and contribute to. However, the development and maintenance of the Beam Wallet app are often handled by a core team of developers. These developers are often passionate individuals who believe in the principles of privacy and decentralization. Many contribute to the project on a voluntary basis, while others may be employed by companies or organizations that support the Beam ecosystem. It's important to note that the lack of a single, easily identifiable owner doesn't necessarily mean a lack of accountability. The open-source nature of Beam ensures that the code itself is subject to scrutiny and community review. This distributed approach to development can enhance security and foster innovation. Exploring the Beam ecosystem. While the ownership of the wallet itself might be somewhat decentralized, it's crucial to understand the broader Beam ecosystem. Beam Foundation, this nonprofit organization, plays a vital role in supporting the development and growth of the Beam ecosystem. They may fund research, organize community events, and advocate for the adoption of privacy-preserving technologies. Community contributions. The Beam community is incredibly active. Developers, researchers, and enthusiasts contribute to the project in various ways, from writing code and improving documentation to spreading awareness and providing support. Partnerships. Beam has formed partnerships with various entities, including exchanges, wallets, and businesses that integrate Beam into their services. These partnerships contribute to the growth and adoption of the cryptocurrency. Addressing concerns and speculations. The lack of a clearly defined owner might raise concerns for some. Transparency and accountability are crucial for any cryptocurrency project. However, it's important to remember that decentralization is a core principle of many cryptocurrencies. While there might not be a single entity controlling Beam Wallet, the community and the open-source nature of the project provide a degree of oversight. Additionally, the Beam Foundation and other organizations within the ecosystem play crucial roles in guiding the project's development. So, who truly owns Beam Wallet? The answer is complex. It's a collective effort by developers, the community, and various organizations within the Beam ecosystem. While the lack of a single, identifiable owner might seem unconventional, it aligns with the decentralized nature of cryptocurrency. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.